Well, it's a couple days later, and fiberglass is dry, so now I gotta grind it down and get it ready for some body filler. Now here's what it looks like right now. So now I'll just grind it off. Put my mask on first. I always wear a mask when you're doing body filler. You don't want to suck that into your lungs. Alright, now I'm going to cut the edges off and smooth it out a little bit. And get it ready for body filler. Okay, cut that edge off. Put the sanding disc on here. And see what kind of a mess I can make with this. grind underneath. Alright, should be good. Mat and lay down here, check underneath it. Sorry about that. Now we're going to mix up some body filler. And give it a coat. I'll have to let that dry. Here's where I can sand it down. Alright. Let's get to mixing some body filler. Then I gotta go get something to mix it on, so I'll be right back. Alright, I got some mud mixed up. Let's start putting some mud on here. Probably have to do 2 coats. Messy job, but stuff burns up pretty quick. There'll be lots of sanding. Alright, I'll just leave it like that, I guess. Let that dry and sand it off. Not the prettiest, but I'll have to do. Alright, well, I'll be back after this dries. And then we'll have to sand it. So I'll be back in a bit. Alright, I think we're ready to start sanding this area. I'm just going to use some 80 grit on a block. I think I'm going to get an electric sander. I'll be right back. Now I'm going to knock this down with this electric sander. And it's going to be too noisy, so I'm just going to shut the camera off for now, and I'll bring it back when I'm done. Alright, well, I've got it sanded down the best I could for now. But there are some low spots that I have to get to. I'm going to have to put another coat of Bondo on there, or body filler, and then I'll be back after when I'm ready to sand it again. Talk to you in a bit. Alright, so I put on another coat of body filler, and I'll be back when I'm ready to sand it down, or after I sand it down. See you in a bit. Alright, well, I finished sanding the area. I had to put a little bit of spot putty on there. But she's ready for primer. I used a variety of tools for sanding. This block. I used an electric sander with 80 grit sandpaper, and then I just finished it off with 320 by hand. So now I'm ready to spray the area. Give it a shot of primer. Give it a couple of coats, probably. I also sanded underneath here, so give that a little shot of primer so it doesn't rust. And there we have it. We got one coat. One coat of primer on there. Doesn't look too bad. It's a heck of a lot better than it did. So I'll let that dry, and then I'll come back and give it a final coat of primer, and that'll be it for this video, I guess, and then I'll start working on the other side. Okay, I'll be back in a little while. Alright, well, I'm back. I got 2 coats of primer on it, and that's where I'm going to leave it. It's still wet. That looks pretty decent. Looks good enough for this old truck. So that's where I'm going to leave this one. I'm going to do the other side. I won't bother filming it because it'll be the same as this one. So this is where I'm going to leave it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later.